Alright, last time we've updated this system, so maybe we should better restart. Good thing. You update your system, check out the files that have been updated and realize maybe I should reboot. We're on Persian ArcoLinux. I've updated my system. The ISO is in there, I see. We've did a few changes. And what I should know or should learn is there yay? Is there paru? Ah, there is paru. So now I want this system to become mine. A basis, something Arch. Can be EndeavourOS, Garuda, can be anything. It's Arch, right? It's all built on the same blocks. And then we go for more information. I don't know if the application Glade can be found on. No, I don't think so. Let me check on my other system and pause here. I thought somebody put it online. So Paru, ArcoLinux is what I should have typed. And we can have the app Glade, which I think can help me already quite a bit. Let's see. If we install our ArcoLinux app Glade and we say quit Q, we say yes, and we install it. And then we have the AAG. That's the shorthand to launch it. ArcoLinux app provides us a way to build ArcoLinux, right? Any of them. Provides us the way to build ArcoLinux ISO, a personal eraser ISO. What else? We can install the clean the Pacman cache. We can fix keys. We can best Arch servers. That's something I can do. Let's have a look. Control T. So nano etc pacman.t mirror list. I've got my OSBAC back. For me, that's best. Well, for most of the world, that's best actually, because they're the top level best servers. Simple. Voilà. So that's that. Apply best servers, install ArcoLinux keys and mirror lists. That's interesting, because then I get my packages from ArcoLinux. We're adding the ArcoLinux test repo, not used, this one, that one, that one, have been installed. Okay, show me, Control T, we sudo pacman -s yyu this thing. And yes, we have access to the repos, and it immediately tells me, hey, there's a new update from this ArcoLinux app Glade thing, which I'm not gonna install. Okay, so I've got myself access to 3 extra repositories, which means I've got the reflex to do Sublime Text. Right? I love Sublime Text. It's now installed. What else? We can reset etc.pacman.conf. That means overwrite, right? Or the cached one on for local file. So beware. Install package from file, install ArcoLinux tweak tool before ATT. Okay. In a sense, that's not necessary anymore. Doesn't give an issue either. No, it's gonna work just fine, because the keys, we've just clicked on this thing, keys are there, mirrors are there, he'll just say they are there. And then install the ATT. So basically here you see what's gonna happen. We're gonna install an ArcoLinux tweak tool from locally. So this package provides it locally, and then now it's installed. And with a, well, I think we don't need this anymore. There's some scripting. That's something I want to try later on. So install the Nemesis scripts. What have we done now? So on your file system, on your data, I suppose, here it is, ArcoLinux Nemesis. I'm gonna run this one. Basically can combine 2 videos in one if I want to, and say, just do your job, my friend, just run current choices. Do you want to install CHADWM on your system? Yes or no? Let's do a no. I'm kind of a fan of that particular desktop, so that's why he asks. You'll see all kind of errors, so you have to figure it out. Why is this different? Well, in Calamares you couldn't see the Chinese, the Japanese and Korean fonts. That's why they were blocks, and in ArcoLinux you can. So afterwards I remove these Chinese fonts and Japanese and Korean fonts because I don't need them in Belgium. And it goes on and it goes on. All right, he's doing his job. So he starts here and it says do that, do that, do that, do that, and then later on go into personal and do that and that and that. So he's doing my theming, my installing all the stuff. Then close window, the tweak tool, weak tool. We have installed this one, ArcoLinux tweak tool, which can, well, actually we should have a look at the display, and never mind the display, but adapt it to whatever resolution you need. A bit better. Right mouse click, can we have another wallpaper? Thank you very much. Desktop settings. I guess not. And here we go, right? Have a look at all the possibilities, things to install, all kind of desktops we can add to it. We can add our own DWM, but I don't want my own DWM, maybe the other guy's DWM. Have a look. Some fixes, grub, login, SDM is active, mirrors if you want to change anything, neofetch. Oh yeah, Control T, neofetch. So that's the logo, the ASCII logo of Parch, with Veracode Nerd font, Nordic bluish accent standard buttons. Yeah, there will be people asking me, what is the design? What's on there? This is what we have. Arc dark. This is me. This is me. My scripts are running, right? Dracula is here. Here's the Nordic bluish standard buttons. And here the icons. I'm already installing stuff that I want with the scripts from Nemesis. Making it my own. So this would be my look. Maybe that one. Don't like the way the menu is, then you have to go to the whisker menu, to the properties, and have a go at it, right? Have a go at it. How do I change that behavior, that appearance? Better. Smaller. I believe we can make this smaller, but not now. No, we can't, can we? We should be able to. Anyway, have more fun. We can add it to the list. What do I mean by that? If we do Control T, ATT, then you get a list of all the ArcoLinux systems where it works. And this is something to be looked at, but here is the long list. So we can add Parchlinux to the list with a little link to it, and then that will be that. Close window, if you like our ATT, our bash RC, overwrite your bash RC, which is the first thing actually I do. Well, it's not that, it's actually that. Well, no, not that, this, no. Bash RC, bash RC, where's the bash RC? Here he is. And have a look what's in there. Visual Studio is installed. Sure, stop, get rid of this, that one. So nothing to report, standard bash RC. So if we want to overwrite it, that will be easy. Install the ATT bash RC configuration, done. Install bash completion, that's installed, so no need to press the button. And we got our bash RC, which is a bit longer now. Which means if I type update, it works, right? When I type up all, it works. When I type rip, it works. So a lot of things have been now installed because of the script that is still running, I hope. Somewhere else, where did I leave it running? I hope I did. Anyway, we can still run it again. That's the advantage of the Nemesis script. You can run it any time you like. Oh yeah, neo fetch. We can do this and then that. What happens then? Ooh, better, right? Nice. So play around with the ArcoLinux tweak tool. It is what it is. Just a tool, a user interface. You can do all of that manually, any point in time. Is Variety already installed? Because this is not a nice wallpaper at all. Next wallpaper, please. So that's not working. Next. Is this working? That's working. When I press this, it should become this, it should become that, it should become this. So depending on the your system, Variety should work. Thank God for sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Variety, and that's what we get. Auto start is an interesting one, and ArcoLinux Variety kit itself, which works on 30-ish desktops, and it's already in there, and they say. So I'm gonna sudo remove etc scal.config variety.conf, and now I'm gonna install it. Now we scal is something specific. It's okay for reading permission and so on. So Super X not gonna work, right? Super X not gonna work. There are some key bindings that needs fixing if we want to have an ArcoLinux, of course. But this is Parch, right? But the thing is, make it your own. That's the message. Any system out there, they're all nice and beautiful, but they'll never be 100% the way you like them to be. So you need to make them better. Voila. We got ourselves a nice way of showing things. Now, one of the things I don't like is the icons on my system. So file system, don't like that because it breaks kind of my look, eh? I suppose I have to delete these guys. Yep. And are they now gone? Hope not. And if they are, nothing lost. Alright, nothing lost. Trash. They're empty trash, or put them back. But I don't want you guys to be on my system. So I have to look again, where was this, where I shut that down? Because I don't want it. Yeah, all the settings have been overwritten. We did a scal. Have a look what scal is. Just copy paste basically what's in etc scal to your system. And that's that. Now, I don't think the complete Nemesis ran. I think I've closed it somewhere. Like I said, you can run it 100 times, 1,000 times. Change it any way you see fit. Put it on your own GitHub. Git clone it then from there. This is what it does, right? It just skips, it goes over the motions, and it says, nope, it's already installed. Nope, it's already installed. And sometimes a little conflict, all good, no problem, because those are conflicts between one package and another, which is fine as long as you have Paru, that's good. As long as you have as backup, that's good. All right, it keeps on going over the list. Bluetooth installed, printers installed. We're doing some stuff here, I see, to grub. Making it update grub from rebuilding files. Ah yeah, the set font. Not see the error about the set font. Voila. There are things double, and if it's double, he can't copy, right? He's very cautious about everything. Let's do one last scan and reboot. Voila. And then, of course, it's only 16 minutes in, but it's okay. I mean, all I have to do now is choose some themes, wallpapers, some icons. I'm gonna get rid of the folders on the desktop. Oh yeah, DWM. Maybe install Pamac. So we're back to this one, this look. Scal we did. It launches everything. This is in the auto start folder. Let's keep it like this now. You've seen in the other video, of this video, beginning video, how to do things. All applications. This is accessories, development, graphics. But a lot of stuff is now in here. In sync Discord. Ah, that's the one I want. Let's hope. Yes. So repositories, the PPR. Has ArcoLinux logout git. Okay. Has better log screen. Dracula GTK themes, Hacknerd themes, NeoFetchKit, Minstick, ZSH. And here we have some Parch things, Parch emo, Grub theme, Parch Grub, Parch OS wallpapers. Parch OS wallpapers. It is installed. Why don't I see the Parch wallpapers? User, share, backgrounds. No, wallpapers maybe. There you go. And back here, Paru is here. There's a theme astronaut. I was looking for, oops, calamar. Did I see calamars? Don't install that. So, a lot of packages. PCP, same thing. A lot of packages. There must be some idea of distinction between this one and that one. Can I get me a DWM, please? Not ours, but theirs. The DWM.conf. Let's install that one. That's that. Probably this one as well. Some dependencies. That's TK, that's something else. There's a config here, dots there. All the rest is from us. So yeah, let's see. Control T, XD. We've got DWM and XFCE, so I can log out. I can log out. Oh, probably not Eric. Let's try anyway. Oh, there is something. Yep, I've got something. That's super enter. Super enter, super Q, super shift Q, super A maybe, super Q. I can't seem to be able to shut it down. Do I have the ability to type Thunor? Yes, I can type it, but that's it. So I guess I'll have to figure that out. Best thing to do for me now is pkill DWM and hope that pkill without the T gets me back to where I want to go. I've got myself my own wallpaper, I see now, from ArcoLinux. So this is all in the auto start. If you don't want it, delete it from the auto start. Voila, playing around. The thing is, guys, once choose whatever distro you like, right? That's the first thing. But if you stick to Arch Linux based systems, there's a world of variety. Learn the technicality of an operating system like Arch, and then move to Endeavour-esque Garuda. Well, you saw the list. Let's go over the list once more, right? If you type this one, there are quite a few to have a look at. You can go and I'll add the guys Parchlinux here to the list. All right, cheers.